guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we still have some deals going on, especially if you did not shop last week and you still have your coupons. Some of them are still valid. You can use them this week. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Neutrogena cosmetics are on spend 10 get 5 back, and there are a few items you can pick up that are around $10. The first option is to pick up the mascara price at $11.49. We have a $3 coupon that will drop it down to $8.49 and you get 5 back, making it just $3.49. The other two options are the eyeshadow primer and the eyeliner. They are priced at $11.99 each. Pick one from these two options and use the $3 digital coupon. You pay $8.99 and get 5 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 on any Bud-Bees facial cleanser, toner or towelette 30 counts. Pick up 2 Bud-Bees gentle face scrub priced at $7.99 each. Both will total $15.98. Pay that and get 6 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on Clean and Clear Acne Care. Pick up 1 Clean and Clear exfoliating cleanser priced at $11.49. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.49 and you get 5 back, making it just $4.49. If you like the Vitamax face mask, they are part of buy 2 get 3 back and they are priced at $3.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Pay that and get $3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is on Method hand soap. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, priced at $5.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.65. These two will total $7.94. Pay that and get 2 back, making them $5.94 or $2.97 each. Next deal is buy 2 get $2 back on soft soap liquid hand soap, the 11.25 ounces, and also the 3-pack Iris Spring Bar soap. And I'm going to give you the two options. For the soft soap, they are priced at $3.49. Pick up 2 for a total of $6.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. And for the Iris Spring, pick up 2 packs priced at $4.49 each. Both will total $8.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. If you like Aussie hair cares, the 26.2 ounce are on sale for $7.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $15.98. Check your app. We have a 2 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $13.98 and you get 4 back, making them $9.98 or $4.99 each. The 12.6 ounce L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioners are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. The 4 off 2 coupon we had last week expired, but we got a new one. The coupon will drop it down to $5.98 and you get 2 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is on 22 ounce Olay body wash. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they are on sale for $6.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back when you buy 2. That will end up making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. Axe body wash or shower gel are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. As you can see, my store don't have any left, but if you can find them at your store and they are priced at $6.29, this will be your breakdown. Pick up 2. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $3.15. These two will total $9.44. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.44 and get 3 back, making them $1.44 or 72 cents each. Gillette or satin shave gels are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 satin shave gels priced at $5.79. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.90. Both will total $8.69. Pay that and get 4 back, making them $4.69 or $2.35 each. If you prefer the Gillette Shave Gel, it's priced at $5.79. Pick up two. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $2.90. Both will total $8.69. Pay that and get 4 back, making them $4.69 or $2.35 each. I found the scope squeeze on clearance for $1.62, and when I scan them, there is no coupon coming up, and this will also make a very good filler item if you need them. If you did not pick up the Colgate toothpaste last week, the coupons are still valid. They are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $5 back. Pick up two Colgate Total on sale for $3.99 each, and both will total $7.98. Use the $2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 5 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Sensodyne and Kids toothpaste are on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up two priced at $5.29, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.65. These two will total $7.94. Pay that and get $4 back, making them $3.94, $1.97 each. My next deal is buy two get 4 back on Listerine mouthwash or pocket packs. Pick up two Listerine Kids mouthwash priced at $6.49 each. Both will total $12.98. Pay that and get 4 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal I have is buy two get 5 back on any biotin. Pick up two 8-ounce biotin mouthwash priced at $5.79 each. Both will total $11.58. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is buy two get 5 back on any Polydent or Polygrip, and the 30-count Polydent 3-minute cleanser is included in this deal, but my store is out. It's priced at $3.99 if you can find it. Pick up two. Both will total $7.98. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. Or you can pick up two Polygrip denture adhesive cream priced at $6.59 each. Both will total $13.18. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $8.18 or $4.09 each. I saw some Huggies diapers on clearance for just $6.49. Lysol products are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up the 35-count Lysol wipes priced at $5.99 and one Lysol toilet bowl cleaner priced at $4.29. Since these two items are on sale for buy one get one half off, the cheaper priced one will be half off, and that will be the toilet bowl cleaner. The new price will be $2.15. These two will total $8.14. We have two coupons in our app, $1 off and 75 cents off. Both coupons are attaching to the wipes, but only the 75 cents coupon is attaching to the toilet bowl cleaner. And the two will apply and take off $1.75, dropping it down to $6.39, and you get 3 back, making them $3.39 or $1.70 each. The Ajax and Palmolive dish liquid are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. If you use both brands, pick up one Palmolive at $4.99 and one Ajax at $2.10, and that's because of the buy one get one half off. Both will total $7.09. Use a $1 digital coupon for the Palmolive and another $1 digital coupon for the Ajax. That will take off $2 and you pay $5.09, get 2 back, making them $3.09 or $1.55 each. If you prefer the Ajax dish liquid, pick up two, priced at $4.19, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.10. Both will total $6.29. Use a $1 off Ajax digital coupon and you pay $5.29, get 2 back, making them $3.29 or $1.65 each. If you prefer Palmolive dish soap, pick up two, priced at $4.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.50. Both will total $7.49. Use the $1 off Palmolive digital coupon and you pay $6.49, get 2 back, making them $4.49 or $2.25 each. The next deal I have is spend $25, get 5 back, and this deal is a limit of 1 per week. Pick up the Tide Pod on sale for $13.49, And the little Tide Pod next to the big one on sale for $5.49. And the next item that will complete this deal will be the Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $6.99. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. On Coupon 24 app, there is a $3 coupon for the big Tide and a $1.50 coupon for the small Tide. The 3 coupons will take off $6.50 and you pay $19.47, get 5 back, making them $14.47 or $4.82 each. Another option I have for the Spend 25 deal is to pick up one Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, one Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $6.99, and one Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. These 3 items will total $27.97. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, a $2 digital coupon for the Downy, and another $2 digital coupon for the Dawn. That will take off $7 and you pay $20.97, get 5 back, making them $15.97 or $5.32 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.